I'm gonna show you how to change the air filter and cabin filter on a 2010 Dodge Caliber. It's a 2.0. It's really simple to do, and I'm doing this while I'm recording, so a few steps I'm gonna have to stop recording. First, you want to locate this filter right here. Just clip these two clips back and you pull it back far enough to pull the old filter off. And like I said, I'm recording this with one hand, but if you had the two hands, you can pull it out real easy. But this is the filter, and this is what it looked like. And if you would like to purchase one of these filters, you can look in the description below or go to my website in the top right hand corner. And this is what the filter looked like. And to put it back in, you just put it back in the way you took the old one out. It's that simple. Now I'm gonna show you how to change the cabin filter replacement. It's a little bit harder, but it's really simple to do. First, you want to do is open the glove compartment, and what you want to do is squeeze this in. Just push them in. It's kind of hard, but you push it in and then it'll slide, pop right out. Then what you want to do is locate the filter, and the filter is up under the compartment, and you push those two tabs together. Like I said, I'm recording, but you just push them in together and it'll slide right out. Then what you want to do, I'm gonna zoom in and show you where the filter is at. You just want to pull this filter out and put the replacement in. It's that simple. So you don't have to take this to no dealership or anything. You can do this yourself. And you see this filter is really dirty, and if you would like to purchase one of these cabin filters, you can look in the description below or go to my website. And that's really all to it. It's really simple to do, and you just put everything back on the way you took it off. And I'm gonna zoom in so you can see inside this cabin, and that's where the filter goes. All right, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.